Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to promote clickbank products for free. So it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply get a promotion link. So choose a niche and a category. So I'm going to go with the health and fitness niche and I will be going for healthy food. So after picking a category, just simply pick the product that you want to promote. So I'm going to sort this by gravity. So this is currently the best selling product in clickbank with this keyword over here. So I'm going to promote one of these links over here. So to get the link, click on promote, then enter your nickname over here, then choose which type of default landing page that you want, then click on create hop link. Now your hop link will be over here. So just simply copy that. Now you have your affiliate link. Now the next step is promoting your link on any type of social media. So because we are doing the free method, there won't be any paid promotion or any paid advertising of the product. So in the free version, what we can do is just simply create post on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and many other social media applications just like that. So it's a very easy process. So you can create reels or pins. So I'm going to talk about Pinterest and Instagram over here. So you can just simply create simple pins just like these, as you can see right over here. So as you can see, you can make simple pins just like them, and you can upload on Instagram or Pinterest. It's totally up to you. So to make the pins, all you have to do is just simply go to Canva and just simply search for food template. Then you will get the template over here. Then design the template with some nice fonts and images that suits your affiliate product. Now after you get the pins or posts, just simply download the entire content from Canva. So after you've downloaded that, just simply go to your specific social media page where you want to upload the product. I'm going to go to Pinterest. Now over here, all you have to do is just simply click on create, then just simply click on create pin. Now just simply drag and drop your pins over here. So as you can see, your pins are ready right over here. Now all you have to do is just simply add a title, description, and link. And the link, there will be the affiliate product link that we got from the affiliate promoting page. So click on create hop link, copy the link, and paste it right over here. Now just simply add the title, the description, the brand, and some tags, then publish it. And when people will buy from this link, you'll get the affiliate commission from clickbank. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.